What's up everybody, this is Deli Dill Gaming and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Respawn 400 gaming chair. Let's do it. But before we do that, make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell for future video notifications. And make sure you head to advanced.gg and use code DEADLYDILL for 10% off all Advanced GG products. And now that we're all done with that, let's get to the chair. All right, so here it is, the big boy Respawn 400 itself. Man, I'm super excited about this for many reasons, but the biggest reason is I've never used the gaming chair before. I've always used some cheap office chairs and everything like that, so I'm super excited to use this because I've heard that having a good gaming chair actually improves your gameplay, and that's a fact. All right, enough talking, let's open this thing. All right, here it is. Let's freaking unbox this thing and let's freaking do this. It's really hot in this garage. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, plastic came right off. Ooh, I already feel like I'm a better gamer just by holding a gaming chair. That's a little lumbar support, a little cushion for the head. All right, all right. Bro, I already feel the comfort. Get out of here, stinking thing. Ooh. Bro, I'm really thirsty. Ew. Oh, this is like a little lever? Wait, how's this? I'll figure it out in a second. All right, we got the seat, we got the backrest. What else do we got in here? Let's see.
Ooh, a little smackage.
I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna eat that. Got the wheels. How many freaking wheels are there? 2, 3, 5 wheels. Huh. Sick.
More cardboard.
A little lever to go up and down with. This little plastic thing. Ooh. Got the little armrest. Cool. Everything is also bubble wrapped for its safety. Wait, instructions? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna need this.
More styrofoam.
Last but not least. This is the big boy chair, y'all. See this thing? Like a freaking ninja star. Ah. All right. Don't try this at home, kids. Well, I think that's it. No longer need this box. All right, so everything that it came with was, the build was obviously the backrest part. Obviously the little lever that goes up and down. Rests. Comes with all the screws and all the wheels, everything that you actually, honestly, I think it has everything that I need to simply put it together. I don't think I need to grab any tools. That's a nice thing. It looks like from everything that we have here after unboxing everything, it looks like, honestly, everything is pretty straightforward. It doesn't look like there's a lot of, like, obviously screws, there's a bunch of screws and stuff like that, washers and whatnot, but it doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff that it's honestly just not gonna take a lot of time. So I think that once we start building it, we're gonna be done, and then we're gonna be testing it. So again, everything you see here, including the seat, it's again, it's not a lot of stuff. I don't think it's gonna be a lot of work to put this together. So let's freaking rock it, baby. All right, so we're all done assembling the chair, and I figured the best way to test it would actually be in the gaming room. So let's freaking do this. Gotta get rid of this old thing. You serve me well, my friend. It's time for you to go. Can't you see no one wants you anymore? And here's the new chair. Respawn, baby. Let's freaking do this. All right, first time sitting in it. Let's do it. Oh, okay. Lumbar support? What the heck? What? You can ride. Bro. This is, what the frick, dude? It's like, oh, dude, like lumbar support all the way up. Dude, I've never had a chair with lumbar support. It feels weird, like, at first, but holy cow, this feels dude. Dude, what's this? Bro, you can freaking back and forth with this and, wait. No way. What's this? You can even lower it? If you don't want the... Dude. Oh, all right. Now that I'm breaking it in a little bit. Dude, This thing is comfy. Like, it felt weird at first because I'm not used to like having the lumbar support and stuff, but like, dude, this feels great. And that little pillows like on my back and stuff like that, it makes me feel like my posture is good. Like I'm not like slouching. Like I legitimately feel like I'm good to go. This is comfortable. This is really nice. I would say compared to my other chair, it's night and day difference, 100%. I'll say this though, obviously my other chair felt initially a little more comfortable because that's worn in and everything like that. This is right out of the box, so I'm like, it hasn't worn in yet, but I can definitely tell like I'm gonna be sitting right. Like I'm not gonna be like, especially if I'm gaming for a long time or just working or editing videos or whatever. Like, and there's like a lever where you can like, let's see, how far can I go back? Be perfect for a freaking 24-hour stream if you need to take a nap. Like legitimately, I just want to sleep right now, bro. This is crazy. And how far up does it go? It's like whoa. This is like if you really want a game, you're like up front, dude. Overall, dude, solid chair, man. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to all this, but like it just honestly for first gaming chair, dude, with the support and everything, like I have back problems too. So like being able to like sit up straight and stuff like that, and it's comfortable overall. Dude, great chair overall. I'm really seriously super satisfied with it. Super would recommend this chair honestly to anybody. This is a great chair, great product, and definitely looking forward to continuing to use this chair as I continue to game and everything like that. But overall, honestly, solid chair. Solid chair. But yeah, overall, shoot, great chair. Dude, amazing chair. Like for my first gaming chair ever, this is amazing. I legitimately feel that if I use this chair, I'm gonna be the best gamer on the face of the planet. Because a good player has a good gaming chair. You know what I'm saying? Like all those goated plays, great gaming chair. And I think it's because they're sitting up straight and not slouching. So done. It's a great chair. Deadly Dill approved. It's awesome. All right, well, hey, that's it. This is the chair. That was the unboxing. That was the building. That was the review of it. Great chair. Freaking let me know in the comments below what you think of it. If you have a chair, or if you have any questions about the chair, let me know. If you own a Respawn chair, go ahead and comment below which one you own, how you like it, how long you've had it. And let's just talk about it. Let's talk about it. You guys, thank you so much. This is Deadly Dill Gaming, and that was my review and unboxing of the Respawn 400. I'll catch you guys next time.